what should be in the neighborhood that is attractive to the community members, such as owners, tenants, employees, and residents, who you'll take their role in supporting research business and creative industries in this area of Paju.
We had this design charrette on the Paju Medical Cluster here in Korea. What should we be doing? What do you think about the right way of promoting less cars? What do you think we should have in the buildings, in between the buildings, streetscaping, placemaking? A lot of interesting topics that were covered today.
From the building orientation to the pathway and the connection of the connection to the infrastructure was different. So there's going to be a lot of change.
Okay, from my genuine perspective, I think it went pretty well. Was even beyond my expectation, actually.
I really appreciated everyone's feeling for some big moves on the site, how we connect to GTX, how we make the ground floor transparent and active, and how people want to use the open space system as a place to enjoy life and be a part of this community.